Pranam. I'm glad with your comments that you all are enjoying this journey, and not just enjoying but applying it too. So we started from C1 commitment, then we tried to establish the self connection. And what is the output of self connection? It is self correction. Then there is a self care routine, and today is the day for C5. When I get up in the morning, the first thing I do, I raise the curtains, I open the window to get sunlight, fresh air. But with sunlight and fresh air, one another thing comes inside the room without my permission. And what is it? It is dust. What should I do? Should I never open the window because dust is coming? Or I should enjoy the sunlight, fresh air, let the dust come, I'll clean it. I'll keep dusting my room. I think it is better, it is wise that let the sunlight come, let the fresh air come into the room. Okay, if there is some dust, but I'll clean it. Exactly like this, something happens in life. Sometimes unknowingly, we come in contact with some negative people, negative places, negative surroundings. You know, energy is contagious and we are vulnerable. I repeat it, energy is contagious and we are vulnerable. Try to understand it. Who am I? I am a life energy. Who are you? You are a life energy. Every living or non-living emits something, a kind of radiation. We were talking yesterday. We all are nothing but energies, different energies, positive, negative, little positive, more negative, much more positive, but little negative. But yes, the whole existence is the play of energy. It's just energy. And I think it is the subtle vision to understand life. We all are energies. So sometimes unknowingly, we come in contact with negative people. Sometimes we reach somewhere where there are negative vibes, when there are negative surroundings. So, you know, it happens unknowingly. So what should we do? Should we stop ourselves? Should we resist ourselves? Should we lock ourselves? No. We would have to open the window. We would have to raise the curtain. We cannot keep ourselves deprived of sunlight and fresh air. Let the dust come. We should clean it every day. Yeah, dusting is the remedy. Likewise, you know, something is happening with our inner self. Some unwanted things are coming inside. We are absorbing something which is not needful. But yes, it happens when we are at our workplace, when we are moving in the world, when life is going on, it happens. So, you know, what happens after long, for example, if you are breathing in polluted air, what would happen? There would be breathing problems. There would be breathing problems at times. तो कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि जाने अनजाने कुछ ऐसे लोगों से मिलना हो जाता है, किसी ऐसी जगह पर पहुंच जाते हैं हम, कुछ चीज़ें आपके मेरे आसपास ऐसी इकट्ठी हो जाती हैं कि नकारात्मकता आती है. We absorb the negativity. As I said, that we are vulnerable and energy is contagious and we cannot change it. It is the fact, it is the system. It is the system, it is the way. It is the way how the nature has designed all this existence. So what can we do? We can cure ourselves. There are some diseases inside. Number of times people do ask me, sir, there is a negativity without reason. Sometimes there is a fear without reason. No, it is not without reason. There is a reason. And what is the reason? The reason is that sometime unknowingly it happened. It happened with us. We got connected to few people who are negative. We reached somewhere, the place was negative, the surroundings were negative. Some things, they emit negative vibes. So we have to be very conscious, we have to be very careful. That's why I told you that self-correction is really important. There should be an acid test every day. If you really want to master life, if you really want to enjoy it, then you would have to be alert, you would have to be aware. It's like setting life on autocorrect mode. There should be a razor sharp intellect which is protecting you 24/7. So there is a disease. If you feel little negative sometimes and you think that it is happening without reason, everything is fine, we are fit, everything is okay, but why I'm feeling negative, why there is a fear, or maybe without any reason, why you are not feeling happy, why you are not feeling satisfied, why you are not feeling content. If you are not happy, if you are not satisfied, if you are not feeling the actual spirit of life, it means there is something wrong. There is something like a disease. There is something like a disease which is hurting your inner self. So we should cure it. Yeah, today's C is cure yourself. Very fast. C1, commitment. C2, connection. C3, correction. C4, care, self-care. And C5 is cure. Cure yourself. There is already something negative. There is already something which should not be there. That's why we don't feel happy. We don't feel full. We don't feel the spirit of life. We don't feel happy when we look at beautiful flowers. We don't enjoy the chirping of birds. कितने साल हो गए होंगे जब आपने फूलों पर नाचती हुई तितली को देखकर खुशी महसूस की होगी. कुछ है जिससे हम दूर हो गए हैं, कुछ है जो हमारे भीतर आ गया है जो नहीं आना चाहिए. So let's cure ourselves. So now again the question, how to cure our inner self? And again the answer is very simple. When there is a disease, there is some do's and some don'ts. For example, for a diabetic patient, do is take medicine or insulin, whatever, every day on time. And what don't is stay away from sugar. Correct? To cure any disease, there is do and don't. Likewise, to cure ourselves from the disease called unwanted negativity, unwanted fear, unwanted unhappiness, feeling not full, we are not satisfied, we are not feeling the rhythm of life, we are not enjoying the melody of nature. It is a disease. It is something we are lacking inside. So it is a disease, and how to cure? There is a do and there is a don't. So first I'll tell don'ts, then do's. And don't is stay away from something, someone fake. Stay away from pretense. Stay away from a scripted lifestyle. Stay away from manipulations. See, life is not a drama. You can enjoy drama when you are watching it on TV or in a theater. Life is not a drama. Don't do this with you. Don't hurt yourself by doing this. I said stay away from something, someone which is fake. Stay away from pretense. Stay away from manipulations. Stay away from a scripted lifestyle. Feel yourself. Accept yourself. The real you, the real self. You know, we do it and we keep doing it. बहुत बार हम करते हैं, हम करते चले जाते हैं. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है, they pretend a lot just to look smart. और जैसा मैंने 2 दिन पहले आपसे कहा कि growth is not when I am looking like a king. Growth is when I am feeling like a king. So people just to look smart, just to look clever, they behave like this, they pretend, they manipulate number of things, and it is nothing but like knitting a web around you. ये अपने आसपास एक जाल बुनने जैसा है, और इससे क्या होगा, एक दिन आप खुद इसी जाल में फंसेंगे. Absolutely like this. It will happen with you. So the don't is when you are going to cure yourself from unwanted negativity, from lack of that fullness, when you are not enjoying the melody of life, it is stay away from fakeness. Stay away from something fake, someone fake. You should be very selective when you are associating with people. You should be very selective, you should be very careful, you should be very aware when you are connecting with people, when you are connecting with things. मैं बहुत बार कहता हूँ, कुछ भी मत सुन लीजिए, कुछ भी मत देख लीजिए, कुछ भी मत खा लीजिए, किसी के भी साथ बैठकर और कुछ भी कहने सुनने मत लग जाइए. It is life. You know, you put it, it's life, let's chill. But you insist on a wrong word. You said, it's life, let's chill. But there is no need to insist on chill. It's life. All these statements are for those who really want to master life, who just want to pass the time. It's not time pass. I'm sorry, I'm not telling you the way to pass your life. I'm not telling any technique of time pass. Who really want to value life, who really want to enjoy, to celebrate their own selves. The whole content is for them only. You cannot chill like this. It is life. It's a chance given by God to express you in this word. We are here to master ourselves. So don't manipulate. Don't be fake. Don't pretend. Don't pretend. Don't try to live a scripted life directed by some other people just to look good, just to prove yourself that you are smart. No, it's not fair. It's absolutely not fair. Don't do this. I am repeating thrice. Energy is contagious and we are vulnerable. We can't help it. आप जब भी किसी के साथ जाएंगे, बड़ी पुरानी कहावत हमारे बड़े लोग कहा करते हैं, संग का रंग चढ़ता ही है. कोई नहीं बच पाता है इससे, कभी नहीं बच पाता है. So be selective, and it is not that you are self-obsessed. It's not that you are self-obsessed. It's like that you are caring for yourself. You know, people will judge you anyway. Whatever you will do, people will judge you anyway. Don't care. Who just pass comment, but they are not trying to correct you. They don't worth your attention. Yes, who comment, but at the same time, who are putting an effort to correct you, they are the real assets of life. Believe me, we should value them. So be selective, never manipulate. Now, what to do is eat healthy and think better. Very simple thing, eating healthy, but think better. Because you can think better if you eat healthy. Eating means lunch, dinner, your breakfast. Yes, it is breakfast, lunch, dinner too. But you might be surprised that you don't just eat with your mouth. You don't just eat the foodstuffs. When you see something, you are inhaling something. When you listen something, you are inhaling something. So when I say eat good, it means listen to something good, watch the good content, which should be with a raised positivity. Eat a very high vibrational food. And what is high vibrational food? Which is really very connected to nature, which is coming straight from nature. Okay, I'll explain it in some another conversation with you for sure. But in short, I'm telling you, eat healthy. Only then you can think better. And one very powerful and impactful way, try to have company of people who have very high vibration, who are vibing high. Their association really works. And if you don't have anyone, don't worry. I said yesterday, these trees, these beautiful refreshing plants, these flowers, Mother Nature is the best friend, the best healer in the world. Highest vibration, purest vibration, the most pious vibration. If you really want to receive, sit sometime with nature, spend some time with nature. And one last thing you will really enjoy. Negative people are really allergic to high vibrations. Yes, negative people, they are really very allergic to high vibrations. Your vibe should be so positive, so high, that all the negativity should stay away from you by its own. So think about it. Pranam.